Explore the world of music at ABC Adult School's Guitar and Bass class. This class is taught by Emiliano Rodriguez, a UCLA graduate holding a bachelor's degree in ethnomusicology and jazz guitar studies. This welcoming class is designed for musicians of all skill levels. Whether you're picking up an instrument for the very first time or looking to build on your experience, you'll receive expert instruction in a supportive and engaging environment. Learn chords, scales, songs, solos, improvisation, and techniques that will help you grow as a musician. You'll also develop music reading skills, including tablature, rhythm, and notation, giving you the tools to play the music you love. Best of all, instruction is available in both English and Spanish, making the class accessible to more learners. Join a class where students learn, create, and have fun together. Start your musical journey today. Enrollment is open. It's as easy as ABC.